Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel, and today we're going to be talking about AMC. We haven't really talked about that stock on this channel yet. However, it's a very interesting stock, as we all know, with still that potential of a squeeze around the stock. Now let's check out where AMC is the last couple of weeks. As you can see, since that whole ape story, AMC kind of settled at around 5 to 550, and the volume has really dropped now to low levels, only around 12, 13 million volume, which is much lower than the previous periods of the stock. As you can see, also not a lot of movement. Seems very orchestrated. Move up here in April every day, a little bit up, and then since May, since the 5th of May, I don't know what was happening with that expiration, but ever since then the stock has kind of gone down every day, and we now currently a little bit stuck between the 20-day and the 50-day moving average. So on the support level side, we could fall all the way back to, as we're already below the 20 and the 50-day, we could fall all the way back to approximately this level of around 465, which was the previous low on Monday, the 24th of April. If that doesn't hold, yeah, we will be looking at around 370s, 380s, just the low in January and also almost low in April. However, of course, we are more interested in the upside of AMC and the potential it has. So when should we be looking at AMC for a potential squeeze again? Well, in my opinion, it's very clear it is the 200-day moving average line, which is the blue line right up here. And as you can see in the past, we had an attempt in March. We briefly went above for almost a day, but then we came down again. We had an attempt in December 2022 where we touched it but didn't get above. Then we had an attempt, kind of an attempt here, but we never really got too close. And then the last time we were above it was in August. This whole move, this was kind of the last, wouldn't really call it squeeze, but the last nice move for the stock, doubled within around 2 weeks. And we were above that line for a few days here. It was even the support level eventually cracked below it. Never ever we came above that level. And also on previous runs here, March 2022, it was the end of that run, as you can see. And it all basically started when we fell below that level right here in November, December 2021, and we never really got above that, only a couple of days last summer in 2022. So then another interesting trend wise, we are currently still within an interesting trend, which you can draw approximately like this. And we have touched it 3 times now. And what could happen here is that we're going to get an intersection of the 200-day with the trend line, and that will kind of settle at a double resistance here. So let's say we do within the next couple of days find a move up. This will definitely be a very key point to watch if you break that, unless AMC itself will give us some updates, give us some good news. We're gonna need some new money, some new triggers, some new traders coming into the stock. That could be a big trigger, that trend line and the 200-day moving average. Could also be a resistance, so keep in mind that at that point also profit taking might take place. But it's a very interesting point to watch. And in my opinion, it's really what we need for a large move up. Keep that in mind. I mean, you can take a position already right now, and I mean, anticipate on that move. It will be approximately 20-30% move up. Downside wise, I mean, people have stop losses at the 450s, 460s, or even the 3. So, I mean, if you're going to take a stop loss here at the 460s, it's kind of only a 10% loss you're in. But I mean, if it breaks, if it moves up, and if you eventually maybe going to be looking at the levels around here, which were the highs of either the move in February or December, you'd be kind of looking at 850s or 9s, and it's almost double of the stock. So that's very good risk reward on AMC right now. Um, but yeah, we're gonna need a trigger first, either news or this key level, the breaking of that resistance and 200-day moving average. On the weekly side, as you can see, we've drawn it right here. We also kind of see that the 50 week is also coming down at that point. And as you can see, we still have the circles. The 50 week has also been a very critical resistance point ever since we dropped below that. And as that will probably collide with the 200-day with that trend line. This period right here, so we're talking about end of May, beginning of June, will be very key for AMC, the stock on a move up, and when those resistances come together and we have an attack of that level. Please in the comments let me know what you think about AMC. What does the stock AMC really need to get a nice move up, a nice squeeze again? Let me know in the comments. Also, please don't forget to give a like and a subscribe, or give just a comment if you want to see other stocks being discussed on this channel. And for now, wish you a nice day and see you next video.